Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and add admins to your Facebook page. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, first thing would be simply for you to access a particular Facebook app on your mobile phone. Once you have done so, this kind of interface gonna appear, right? So let's say you will have to log in your particular page right there where you want to add admin as well. Now tap on this three horizontal on top right corner of the section and tap on the settings aka gear icon on top. Once you have done so, here in this account section you're going to find this option called page settings, right? Go ahead, tap on it, and the thing that you have to make sure is you have to be an admin or the creator for you to do so, right? So now you're going to scroll down and tap on this option called page access here in this new pages experiences. Now you can see we do have plenty of people here with the page access. Now if you want to add somebody, we can tap on this add new here in the people with Facebook access and tap on this next, and now we're going to search that particular person's ID, and then we're going to tap on it and then let them have the access of our account of our page, right? Other thing, if you simply want to assign them a task, we can tap on this add new besides people with task access as well, and business account with access as well. We can choose a category where we want to add them as well. Simply to add for admin, tap on this add new when you're done, and once they have got the request they will simply access it that way. So that is how you can simply do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.